In this video, I'll show you how to generate images using Perplexity AI. The process is very simple. First, open your browser and go to the Perplexity AI website. Now, let's create an image from scratch. First, click New Chat. To generate an image, simply type a prompt describing what you want Perplexity to create. For example, I'll type create an image of the Statue of Liberty. After entering your prompt, submit it and wait a few moments while Perplexity generates the image. One important thing to know is that image generation is only available with the Perplexity Pro plan. If you're using the free version of Perplexity, you won't be able to generate images because this feature is not included in the free plan. With Perplexity Pro, you get image generation, unlimited pro searches, and access to advanced AI models. Once the image has finished generating, you'll see the final result on your screen. And that's all there is to it. That's how you can generate AI images using Perplexity AI. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.